Hey, you don't have to live for breaks between snores. Imagine this. Could be this. Get a comfortable at-home test from Drumright Dental to determine if someone has sleep apnea, and a small oral appliance could change everything. Call Drumright Dental Center today for everything from A to Z's.